Hi kindergarten, welcome back to term 4. It's your last term of kindergarten. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Okay, this week for writing, well not this week, today for writing, we are going to be writing about what we did in the holidays. Okay, so your learning intention is we are learning to write about a familiar event. So that means something that you are familiar with, that you've done. And you are going to be successful when you can write about what you did in the holidays. Now, I've got my little criteria over here for things that we always need to make sure that we remember. Full stop or full stops if you are writing more than one sentence. Capital letter or capital letters, again, if you are writing more than one sentence. We have to make sure that we reread our writing so that it makes sense. And of course, we need to have our finger spaces so that way it doesn't look like one big word. All right. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a think about what one of our favorite things to do in the holidays was. So today we're going to be writing about our favorite thing to do in the holidays and our least favorite thing. So I've written a sentence stem here. It says, my favorite thing to do in the holidays was. So before I write my sentence, I need to get some ideas in my head about what that could be. Going to the park, taking my dog for a walk, watching a movie, reading my favorite book, going for a picnic, baking or cooking. I love doing that. So I want you to think of some ideas for your favorite thing, okay? Or you could use one of those if that was your favorite thing as well. Okay, so my favorite thing to do in the holidays was go on a picnic. With my friends. Make sure I have my full stop. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reread it to make sure it makes sense. My favorite thing to do in the holidays was go on a picnic with my friends. Perfect. And you can extend that sentence if you would like to with the option 3 task by telling me why that was your favorite thing. Okay, you'll see that there on Seesaw. My next sentence, my least favorite thing to do in the holidays was. So, what's my least favorite thing to do in the holidays? Clean my house, make my bed, get out of my pajamas, help my mum wash the dishes. I wonder what your least favorite thing to do was. Okay, I think my least favorite thing to do was probably clean the house. So I am going to write that. My least favorite thing to do in the holidays was clean, E, and that's the EA sound together, clean my house. All right, those are my 2 sentences for today. I'm going to reread, make sure it makes sense. My least favorite thing to do in the holidays was clean my house. All right, makes sense. I can see I've got full stops, capital letters, and finger spaces where I need. Another thing I want you to think about, I'm not going to write it here because we might focus on that when we get back to school, but I want you to start really thinking about your handwriting and making sure that it is as beautiful as it can be. All right, now what you are going to do is you are going to go over to Seesaw. You are going to have a look at the 3 different options for this task and complete. See you later.